We want our customers to know that we're experienced, but that we're also good listeners. We train our employees to listen and then provide the best service possible. What keeps our customers coming back is our attention to detail, our experience, and the personal relationship we build with our customer to deliver quality service. What motivates us is helping people put their lives back together and seeing a project through to a successful end result. People choose Square One because of our experience, our ability to empathize with our customer, and our quality results.